In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files in ClickUp. Uploading files to your tasks is a simple way to keep everything organized in one place, whether you're sharing documents with your team, attaching screenshots, or keeping reference materials close to the work they belong to. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the basic process, step by step, so you can confidently attach files to any task in your workspace. First, start by opening the specific task you want to add a file to. This could be a task you've just created, or an existing one in any list, folder, or space. From your main ClickUp view, simply click on the task's name to open the detailed task window. This is where you see things like the task's title, description, comments, and any custom fields your team might be using. Once the task window is open, scroll down toward the bottom of the task. You're looking for the attachments section. Depending on your layout, this might appear near the comments or activity area. Take a moment to identify it, because this is where all files related to the task will live. Over time, this section can become a really useful hub for everything your team needs to complete that task. Now that you've located the attachments section, you're ready to upload your file. On your computer, find the file you want to attach. This could be a document, an image, a PDF, or another supported file type. Click and hold the file with your mouse, then drag it over to the ClickUp window, right into that attachments area at the bottom of the task. When you see the section highlight or show a prompt indicating you can drop the file, release your mouse to upload it. ClickUp will begin processing the file instantly. Depending on the file size and your internet connection, this may take a moment. Once the upload is complete, you'll see the file appear in the attachments section, usually with a thumbnail or an icon, along with its name. From here, you can open it directly, download it, or share the task with teammates so they can access the file too. And that's all there is to it. By opening the task, locating the attachments area, and dragging and dropping your file, you've successfully uploaded a file in ClickUp and kept your work neatly organized.